In these first 2 weeks, you'll dive into the world of programming by learning Java, one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. From setting up your coding environment to writing your first program, like Hello World, you'll start understanding how Java helps you solve real-world problems. By the end of these lessons, you'll be creating basic programs and discovering just how powerful Java can be. Now let's take it up a notch. You'll learn how to make decisions in your programs using control structures like if-else and loops. These will help you control the flow of your program, making your code smarter and more efficient. By the end of this section, you'll be able to build basic games or calculators, giving you a solid foundation for real-world coding challenges. In these weeks, you'll learn to organize your code with methods and explore how to work with arrays to store and manage data. Imagine creating a program that can find the highest score in a class or organize a list of your favorite movies. This is where you start learning how to structure your code like a pro. Here comes the exciting part, object-oriented programming. You'll discover how to design real-world models in your code. Imagine creating a digital version of a car, a student, or a game character, and making them interact with each other. With OOP, you'll unlock the power to build scalable and maintainable programs. This is where you'll start thinking like a software engineer. In these lessons, you'll learn about inheritance and polymorphism. These concepts allow your code to become even more flexible and reusable. You'll be able to create class hierarchies, like building a whole family of animals, dogs, cats, and birds, each with their own special abilities. It's all about making your code dynamic and adaptable. As you get more comfortable with coding, we'll introduce you to array lists and hash maps. These are dynamic data structures that allow you to handle larger sets of data. Whether it's creating a to-do list or building a dictionary with key value pairs, you'll learn how to efficiently manage and process data in your programs. Mistakes happen, and that's okay. In this section, you'll learn how to handle errors in your programs using exception handling. Plus, you'll explore file input and output operations, allowing your programs to read from and write to files. By the end of these weeks, you'll be handling errors like a pro and working with real-world data files. Ever wanted to build an app with buttons, text fields, and windows? This is where Java GUI programming comes in. You'll learn to create basic interfaces using Java Swing, like a simple calculator or a login form, adding a visual and interactive element to your programs. Now it's time to bring everything together. You'll plan, design, and code a final project applying all the concepts you've learned. Whether it's a game, a school management system, or something you dream up, this is your chance to show off your skills and creativity. In the final week, you'll present your project, showcasing your hard work. This is also a chance to reflect on your learning journey, what went well, and where you can improve. You'll get feedback from your peers and teachers, helping you grow as a programmer.